the day between Cordillera Career Development College was men's basketball. So our referees of this ball game is referee Noel Rulan, Jerry Jimenez, and Erwin Manuntag. So sila po ang ating mga referee in this ball game between the Jaguars and the CCDC. Ng CCDC, we have the head coach Manuel Felix Jr. and ang assistant coach si Jaynard Elegino. Hornacion. Back to Buado. Hornacion. Aerial. Wow. Ahmed. Fangasan for 3. That's Toby Fangasan. At nasa kanya na ang bola. Good pick by Buado. Hornacion. Crossover move. Nice fake. Hornacion. Wow. Shot made by Hornacion. Ito na si Buado. Buado lilipad. Good for 2 points. Buado. Good defense and a steal by the Jaguars. Nice floater by De La Cuadra. Hornacion, crossover move. Hornacion again, look at him. Dancing. 3-point shot from Cabradilla. De Guzman, Elabib for 3. Elabib, no, but Thomas. Here din po sa inyo. Buado libre sa 3, pupukol. Good block by De Guzman. That shot was spoiled by De Guzman. Thomas going strong to the basket. Buado to the ating Manantan. Pero nakuha pa ng Admirals. Urbe. Tutok yun. 3:45. 14 shot clock. Buado, sidestep move. Wala. But Urbe was there. To the cutting, De Guzman. Nabitawan pero Prado nakuha ang bola. De Guzman. Kaliwa. Nice shot by De Guzman. 25. Prado. Team. Ito na si Nisperos. Naku, naagawan ng bola. And here comes the Skywalker. Easy 2 points. To Bongog. Ito na naman ang CCDC. Hornacion, the Voyager. Kita mo for the naku, sayang, hindi nakita. Ito si Tong, titira ng malayang 3. Sayang. But Elabib is there. Elabib able to beat that buzzer. To Basto. Danilo for 3. Finally, the Jaguars drilling the 3-point shot. 32-20. But Buado agad-agad binawi yung tira. Ang bilis ng transition. Basto, reverse. Tadeja to Basadre. Basadre di diretso. Basadre. Wow. Against Elabib. Buado, libre sa 3. Walang bantay. He has all that time against Tong. Buado again. 2 consecutive 3-point shot by Buado. Ronald, palans ka mata. Okay. Ito na, Cabradilla. Fakes, Cabradilla, papasok sa loob. Using the glass. No problem. Elabib. Nakawala. Nice bind the back. Wow. Ituloy yan, Tadeja. To Cabradilla. No. Kulang sa box out. Itong si De La Cuadra. Sayang. Ito na si Rimando. Tumatakbo si Basadre. Back to Hornacion, the Skywalker. Rebound, Danilo. To Toby Pangasan. 3 points. Yan, ano? Split yung kanyang tira. Pero yun, Manantan. And 51-34. I told Elabib. Nice pick. 18-point lead. Hornacion to the cutting Urbe. He just circle around, you know. Cabradilla to Pantoy. Wow! That is a highlight! Wow! Yan naman. Ako, sabi nila kay Danilo, 5 ball game, hindi naman pwedeng papalibrian lang yan. Elabib, nice drop to Pangasan. Buado. Pangasan, libre. Nice jumper to Basadre. Manantan for 3. Uh-oh. Domingo. Manantan, Tejada, titira ng 3. Again, look at that. The wide body Domingo. Again. Still, Basadre fakes. Basadre to Domingo. Wow! Na natatambakan ng ganito kalaki. CCDC Admirals. Bongog. Nice steal. Domingo. Eto, hindi nakita ni Domingo. Kasi Tadeja. Paro Jr. Remando. Tadeja, 5 seconds nung sa kanilang shot clock. Tadeja! Lumabas, but Ancheta was there for the follow-up. Yung ating last game, it's going to be the home team. Ang SLU Navigators. Elabib, Danilo. Lays it in for 2. Danilo fakes. Danilo, 5-footer wala, pero may follow-up itong. Nice slide in the middle by Faro Jr. And nice. Nisperos fakes. And Nisperos. Ito na si Bernal. Bilyedo. Nisperos. Ginugulo ni Bilyedo. Nisperos. Dipsido. 2 points. Tadeja to Ancheta. 18-footer. Wow. Tadeja. Ito na si Tadeja. Nice kick out to Ancheta. That's a 3. Wala. Bilyedo and Remando. Years right after this game, and of course yung pong ating last game going to be the home team Navigators. Tadeja para hindi ka matawagan ng 8 second shot clock. Okay, so that's it. Yan po.